G'day, Kimberley Kruiswagen. This is a one-of-a-kind custom build that we've done for a customer here. Now, we've originally gone with shorter bench tops inside, and we're able to put in the customer's personal seat. Now, this was their personal seat that they got for their motorhome. And what you can do here is take this recliner. Now, it is huge. It's a stressless reclining chair, very, very comfortable. And what we do here is we've got this as the seat, but we can also recline and use it. So Kimberley has made this raised floor, customized this floor with a set of stairs out the back. Now, what we're doing here is releasing that bolt there. It allows this guy to come out, and there's another bolt hole to go and put that in. I'm now locked in. Once I'm locked in my firm seat, I can undo my stressless chair, and that allows me for the reclining. Now I go all the way back. Again, I can get it to my height there and tighten that up. This is a real, I don't know why they call it stressless. This is such a comfortable, well-made chair, and it was just this customer's personal inclusion in this one-of-a-kind. So there we go. We're going to release that. We've got this guy here. So again, as our little chair, I can still enjoy everything. We've got it set up here, TV, media, and the Thetford fridge. I'm going to bring this right back up to full. So I bring it up to full, lock it in there, and then release my bolt. Put that back into my next bolt hole, which is nice and firm there, against this bollard here, so it's against the carpet there, and a strap to go on. Just like that. In and out, and we'll look at making a cover for this seat, but this looks really good. We've got that there. Both of them unclip and can go out onto their own stands. Customized seats here. So what we've done is taken the Lagun table, and we've moved it back here so that we had freedom to get things in and out from the back. And what we do is we've got the Lagun table that we can set up here. We've got some custom cushions made in the Sean leather going with the white. So that's a little look there. And we've got a place here to sit, and we've got a single bed up above. So that bed has some bolsters that go around there. This guy's going to come back down over there, and then in order to do this, I'm going to put these seats down, and the bed will come down in here. We're able to keep some of the storage there. We've got a big deep storage down there, and we've got the 10,000 watts or the 2 batteries inside there. We wanted to keep the outside kitchen, so again, we've got some storage there, and a look down outside kitchen, electric ninja, and some storage out there. So it is a really cool idea, and we're going to go and have a look at what we've done here in the back for this custom one-of-a-kind build. The back of the Kruiswagen, we've got our gear rack with the bike on here. Remember, this is interchangeable. There's actually 8 bolts in this one, and there's 4 to 6 bolts in the gear box that we're going to put on the back here as well. I can get in here using 2 hands to pull that open does help. And then I've got spare wheel, ladder up to the top, and a big look here. Again, one-of-a-kind custom unit. We've got a raised floor. That just gives them a little bit more comfort on that, but what we've done is accessibility for this couple here as a one-of-a-time. We're just gonna release those 2 catches, and this pulls out. Taking some of the Kimberley wheels that you might recognize, some of these guys here, we're gonna put that down, unfold the stairs first, 1, 2, 3. Once I've unfolded the stairs, I'm going to find a guide of those 2 holes, and now I'm locked in with some stair access up into the back of the Kruiswagen. Now again, what we're doing here was custom because we wanted to get these big chairs out, move them around. We can access out here. It's also accessibility for if you're just not as comfortable with a big high step on the off-road van. Have a look inside this one. This strip lighting in here is a warm light. It don't need it on all the time, so I've got my switch all the time there. I can then change this up with my bench LED. I've got my little touch lights here, and there's a real cool light feel. That's enough light for a lot of my camping experience. Just a nice little way, dimmable, but look at that, great inside the motorhome.